Evening everyone. Today I am going to explain you the unit 2. That means there will be a unit 2 is MS Excel. So in the previous lecture I taught you the what is MS Excel, why it is used, and what is the table and columns and rows, how many types of spreadsheet. So these all are already I have taught you in the previous lecture. Watch it in the teachment. There is a lecture is floating in the teachment study material section. So today's I am going to explain you the basic formulas in the Excel. So there are some formulas in I have shared with you on the screen. In the syllabus there are some formulas are there, but in this screen there is some extra formulas that will give you the benefits to learn many more formulas. So I will explain one by one. Here is a sum. Here is a sum formula. What is the meaning of sum? Sum means what? The sum means we are adding the many values in the single cell. That is called as a sum. Sum means addition करना होता है. So there is a formula is equal to sum, and select the number of values and enter. It automatically generate the total values of the given numbers. So this is the sum formula. Next formula is there max. Max means maximum values. Suppose in my table there are 10 rows and 10 columns, and that 10 rows 10 columns are filled with values, and that values I have to find maximum values. So in that table, if I want to find the maximum value, then I will simply write is equal to max and select all the table and enter. It will show the maximized values among them. So same thing in the mean also. So how now right now I told you how to write or how to find the maximum value from the table. So there is a formula is equal to sum. So same we can apply the find the value in the table as a minimum value. We can find as the same maximized value. The same thing is here. Only we have to write is equal to mean and select the table. It will show the minimum value from the table. Next is now. Now is a one type of formula. It is only used for to check the age. Currently, what is today's date? What is today's date? It will show now formula. So this is the now formula. Next is the average. Average. What is the meaning of average? Average, that means we have to find out the percentage of the given marks. So that time we will find out the average using average formula. So there is no percentage formula. So there is one formula, that is we can say average formula. By using average formula we can find out the percentage of the total marks. Okay. So next is equal to count. Count formula are only used for two. Suppose if I have a table and that table I have 20 values, it will show I don't know how many values is there in the table, not 20. But if I want to count all values in frequently, then I can write is equal to count and select the table, and it will show all the numbers. How many numbers are there? Suppose if I am 20 values, so it will show the 20. It will count and it will show the 20 values there like this. Next, count A. So this is also is a one type of sorting formula. Suppose count A only used for to find out the values in the two table. Count only apply for the one table. and count A are only used for to apply on two table or two different values we can find out. So that time count A is used. Next, length is a one type of formula. If I am writing my name in one cell, and I have to count the how many alphabets are there, so then simply I am write is equal to length and select that particular cell. So length formula will show the number of character, how many number of characters are there, so it will show. So that's why length function is used there. Next, ABS is one type of formula. It is only used for to check the given. If in my cell, suppose in my given in my table in Excel sheet, there is all are the negative values. So if I want to make positive, then I will simply write is equal to ABS and select a particular negative value and enter it. It will convert it in the positive value. Okay, so I think all of you getting this formulas, how it is used and how to apply. Is equal to rand. This formula is used for to check the random values in the given table. That's why rand command or formula is used in the Excel. Next, rand between, it's only used for to check the given number bottom to top randomly. That's why rand between command is used or formula is used. Upper formulas, so there is one another formulas upper. It will show if I in my table there are a number of names are there and I have to find out the upper values of the particular string. That time I simply write is equal to upper and I will select the table. It will show the upper values of the upper value in the table, it will show. Next, lower, it will so if I in my table there are all values are upper and I want to I want it in the small cases, in the small alphabet. Simply I write is equal to lower, select the table, it will convert all the upper values into lower values. So next is a proper. This proper command or instruction or formula is used to make all the values initially capital. That's why proper command used in the Excel. So I think all of you getting this point and formulas today's. So it is very beneficial for you to use daily basis in the computer system. So I think today is enough. I stop the lecture now. Everyone should watch this video. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.